One day, a snake charmer wandered through forests, deserts, and mountains day and night in search of new and venomous snakes. Once, during a harsh winter, he was searching for snakes in the mountains when he came across a massive, lifeless dragon. It was heavy, enormous, and powerfully built. An idea struck him. If he could somehow bring this dead dragon to the city, it would attract huge crowds. With so many people gathering, he could earn a lot of money. The dragon was as big as a pillar. The snake charmer risked his life and, with great difficulty, dragged the dragon to the city. As soon as the snake charmer's feat became known, chaos erupted in the city of Baghdad. Whoever heard the news that the snake charmer had brought a rare dragon rushed to see it, leaving their work behind. Hundreds and thousands of people gathered. Due to the extreme cold and snowfall, the dragon's body had frozen stiff, making it appear lifeless. However, the heat from the crowd and the sunlight suddenly caused the dragon's body to tremble, and it opened its mouth. The moment the dragon opened its mouth, chaos broke out. People ran in all directions, terrified and panicked. As the warm sunlight fell on the dragon, life began to return to its joints and limbs. The snake charmer, paralyzed with fear, thought to himself, "What disaster have I brought upon myself? I've brought my own death with my own hands." Before he could even run away, the dragon opened its cavernous mouth and swallowed him whole. Then, the dragon slithered forward, wrapped itself around a tall building's pillar, and coiled so tightly that the snake charmer's bones turned to dust. Moral of the story: oh dear ones, our ego nafs is like this dragon. Do not consider it dead. Due to a lack of resources and means, it may seem frozen, but negligence in worshipping Allah and the heat of worldly desires can bring it back to life.